Hello everyone, I want to talk about briefly what is machine. Machine can be defined as the device that enable works to be done conveniently or easily. It's a device that enable work to be done conveniently or easily. Now machine is that device that transmits smaller load to a bigger load. That means transmit load from one or transmit work from one point location to another. Now let me come in from the working principle of machine to explain this. What is a machine? Let's first of all, before I talk about the working principle, a machine is a device that enable work to be done conveniently. Therefore, a machine is a device that uses smaller effort to overcome a bigger load. In other words, what we are saying now is this: if I have a lever of this kind and I have a what? A load here. Let's say this load is 10,000 and let's say the effort is 200. This is the effort. Ordinarily, I want to use this effort to overcome this 10,000 load. It will not be possible by human visual assumptions. Now, but for machine, it is possible. What do we do? That's where the working principle comes in. Now, we ensure if we want to achieve the working principle of work output equal to work input, what I will do is this: I will put the pivot of fulcrum and I will balance this place with 10 with 50 meter, and I will put here to be what? 1 meter. In that case, I have balanced. Maybe I want to balance this particular load. I have used the smaller effort to balance the bigger load, because 50 times 200 is 10,000. 10,000. But 10,000 times 1 is 10,000. So that means that I have been able to what? Is Newton meter. That is to say, I've been able to what? To achieve that purpose, balancing the work. So the work output is equal to what? Work input is equal to work output. The last thing I will talk about before I end this video is that I want to tell you how we can use this effort to lift this load. How to use the effort to lift the load. Now what we do is that let's increase this one to what? 60. And if we increase it to 60, what happens? The load will now be lifted. How? The effort will go down. Because the work that has been put in by the effort is now higher than the load. Because this one will now be giving us 12,000. And the load will now be lifted up. So that means through the fulcrum, the load will now go up. So the load will now be lifted up while the effort will go down. So we have achieved using smaller effort to lift a bigger load. And that is the working principle of machine. In that case, the work that has been put in is higher than the work that has been produced through the load. Now, the last thing is how important the machine is to us. Simply, every one of us know that machine is very important. You think your table knife is a machine. That table knife that you use to peel your yam is a machine in any way you want to look at it. Because if that knife is not available, I don't think you can use your teeth or your hand to peel that yam. Your broom is another example. It's not going to be easy for you to use your hand to sweep. The broom has enabled you to sweep that ground clean, to enable to clean your ground neatly, because it's a machine. Your car is a machine. It's a simple machine that we can talk about. But I believe I'll be able to explain that machine is that device that enable work to be done easily. Thank you.